So I'm not gonna lie, I already started creating this makeup video. I'm just going to continue from where I am. So far I have moisturized my skin. This is what I use to moisturize. So this is with Arden 8-hour cream intensive daily treatment, and I have primed my skin. This is the primer I used. I use this primer to prime my entire face. Now I have applied foundation. I use this round fluffy brush to apply foundation, and this is the foundation that I applied. I use these two products for my foundation, and that is what I apply on both sides of my cheek. I'm just going to continue to dab the brush on my cheek and continue to blend the foundation on my forehead. When I apply my foundation, I make sure to avoid my under eye, so that is why you can see that my under eye looks a little brighter. It's just because my under eye looks a little bit brighter. It's just because I set it, actually that's what I was trying to remember. I set my under eye with this after applying my primer. So with this product I set my under eye, so that way my primer can really stay matte before I apply the next product, which is concealer. I'm going to go ahead and conceal my under eye, and I am using this MAC concealer in dark. I just got this yesterday actually. I'm using this concealer, and I was advised that this is the best one for me to use as a dark skin girl, so I decided to take the advice, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this in my under eye. First, I'm going in this dark shade right here. I'm going to apply, take a little bit of that, and I'm going to apply it in my under eye. And you can literally see how nice that is. This concealer dries creamy. I'm gonna take the same concealer and I'm gonna apply it here. Not so much. Blending it out, I'm gonna take a wet beauty blender. This is not wet, this is damp, and also I decided to bring a little light here so you guys can see me better. So yeah, in blending I like to blend my concealer in place, so that way I have more control on my face. Instead of blending your concealer all the way into your cheek, you just want to leave it in your under eye to give you that perfect blend, perfect look that you're going for. And I really love the way this MAC concealer feels on my skin. It's almost like it's not there. I love it. Second layer, I'm going in the second shade. This is a little brighter than this, so I'm taking this shade on the concealer palette, and I'm going to just apply right there, and you can instantly see how bright that is in my under eye. Oh, this feels so good. This is so good. Yeah. Right in my forehead. Then concealer, I'm going to contour the center of my face, and thing. And again, I'm using the Elite Pro powder, translucent powder. Look how beautiful and how natural that face is. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow!
Now I'm gonna take the Fit Me in medium deep to set my under eye. And my smile line. And the bridge of my nose. After baking, I like to go in this ordinary foundation, but I like to use that to contour. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the right there, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. I'm gonna use that to set my bronzer. I'm gonna use that to set my contour rather. For blush, I am using Bosch in Flawless Ivy. Go in, but I'm already full, so I don't have so much to fill into them. Just like to keep it natural. I'm using the first concealer shade, the darker one, to conceal. Going in my skin tone powder, and that is this. I'm gonna use this to set my blend out my entire face, but really avoiding my under eye. under eye, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to take off the excess powder in my brush and really get out the excess on that brush. And I'm going to use this to take off my excess powder from my under eye. For my eyes, I'm going in this bronzer and I'm going to tap on this and just use that to brush my eyelid to give it a little bit of shape and shadows. For my lips, I love to line it a little bit with a brown lip pen. I like to overline my lips on top. And that really makes my lips to pout. And I am just going in this Cocoa Glossy lip balm or lip gloss. And that is all for my makeup for today. Everything that I use will be listed in the description down below, so make sure to check it out and see whatever you need for your own makeup look. You can follow me on Instagram to learn more about makeup, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the post notifications so that when I post the next video you will be notified. That is all for today's video. I really appreciate you guys for coming and